Hey y'all, these seat covers were sent to us by the brand for us to try out. They are custom fit for a Ford F150 SuperCrew 2015 to 2024, and they also fit the F250 to 450 Super Duty crew cabs from 2017 to 2024. But just a heads up, they only fit the XL and XLT trims, and the rear seat does need to be the 40/60 split. So definitely double check your truck before ordering these. But installation was pretty straightforward. Definitely not one of those frustrating pull your hair out experiences. It helps that they include a manual and labeled parts, which made it easier to match everything up. I'd say give yourself a little time and patience, and it does go pretty smooth. The material is a faux leather, but it feels really good. It's not stiff or plasticky feeling. It's padded enough to feel comfortable on like long drives, and it doesn't get overly hot like you'd expect it to be. Plus, it's waterproof and super easy to wipe clean, which is great if you have kids or muddy paws trying to come in the truck. One thing I was a little worried about was how well they'd work with the airbags and the seat belts, but they're designed with those features in mind. The airbag spots are left open, and the rear seat belts are still totally accessible, so nothing gets blocked or awkward to use. Overall, I think these are a really solid option if you want to protect your seats or just give your truck's interior a fresh new look. They're not flashy, they're just clean and classic. They actually feel like they're going to hold up for a really long time for us. They're definitely worth checking out if you drive one of the compatible Ford models. We absolutely love them. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.